Hey guys! So, I'm so freaking excited for this episode because I'm bringing in a special celebrity guest, y'all. But before I get into all of that, I wanted to quickly mention that since this mini-series' main focus is to showcase 12 Days of Caribbean Christmas, where we deep dive into different facets of my personality and cultural upbringing, I'm finally about to show you some of the cultural upbringing Caribbean stuff. And it only made sense that I bring in someone who's from the actual islands themselves, right? So I know y'all have heard of eggnog and the very popular drink Mojito, but have y'all ever heard of cremas? Truth is, I'm tired of cremas being left out of conversation, so it's about time it becomes just as popular as the others because it's banging. Yes, cremas is a Haitian delicacy cocktail that is commonly enjoyed amongst Haitians and the diaspora during the holiday season or for any special occasion for that matter, and like its other counterparts, is made with a more creamy milk base. But that's not all, y'all. We're going to be pairing it with another popular Haitian staple, and it's Haitian patties, or what we refer to as pâté. Listen, as for the pâté, I'd love to do it all from scratch for y'all, but y'all already know your girl doesn't really roll like that with all the scratch-made stuff. Plus, we're a little pressed for time by social media standards, so we're taking a shortcut that tastes just as good as the real thing. So stay tuned, y'all. And so, without further ado, let me introduce you to the woman who started it all. A lot of y'all may not know her, but to me, she is the epitome of a beautiful, kind-hearted, and gentle soul inside out, with class and a little bit of sass, the best cook that I personally know, my best friend, and the little reason for my being here because she literally birthed me. It's my mom, y'all, Chantal Blanc. Cue in the encore. Hey, Mom. And before y'all even come for me, I consider her a celebrity, and I don't care what anyone's got to say about it. Plus, if you knew this little diva, you'd attest to the celebrity mention as well. Okay, so being that we got to do a lot in a short amount of time, thank you social media stipulations, we're going to break this episode into two parts and do a lot of the showcasing with visuals, and my mom and I will chime in with voiceovers. So let's go, Mom. Mom, please tell the people the ingredients we'll need.
The ingredients you'll need for the cremas are coconut milk, evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, white rum. I like to use 5-star pink rum, cinnamon stick, star anise, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, lime juice, and zest.
So some fun facts about my mom. She was born and raised in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, which is the capital of the island. Here is also where she met my late dad at the tender age of 12. She also mentioned how she often spent her summers in the countryside with her grandpa's farm and very little electricity, but apparently her and her siblings would have a ball. They loved riding their horses and tending to the animals and just enjoying their carefree childhoods. Well, there you have it, guys. This tastes absolutely delicious, and it's often customary to bring it to a holiday gathering in our Haitian culture, or just make it for your own personal enjoyment. I hope you all enjoyed part one of this two-part episode and are willing to step out of your comfort zone a little to try our holiday drink of choice, which is cremas. Thanks, Mom, for showing us how to make it. See you guys in part two. Cheers!
Cheers, Mom.